Hello viewer, welcome to another video. In this session we will learn what is the most effective method for becoming a proficient Python developer. Here are some steps you can follow to become an efficient Python developer. Learn the basics. Make sure you have a strong foundation in the basics of Python, including variables, data types, loops, and control structures. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you will become. Find exercises or projects to work on to get hands-on experience with Python. Use online resources. There are many online resources available to help you learn Python, such as tutorials, documentation, and online courses. Make use of these resources to supplement your learning. Learn about different libraries and frameworks. Python has a large ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that can be used for various tasks. Learn about these tools and how to use them effectively. Work on real-world projects. To gain practical experience and apply what you have learned, work on real-world projects using Python. This will help you understand how to use Python in a practical setting and solve real-world problems. Learn about best practices. Python has a number of best practices that can help you write more efficient and maintainable code. Learn about these practices and try to incorporate them into your own code. Keep learning and staying up to date. Python is a constantly evolving language, with new features and libraries being released regularly. Stay up to date with these developments and be open to learning new things. Join a community. Join a community of Python developers, such as online forums or meetups, to ask questions, share your knowledge, and learn from others. Get involved in open source projects. Participating in open source projects can be a great way to gain experience and contribute to the Python community. Look for projects that interest you and try to get involved. Seek out mentors. Find a mentor or someone with more experience in Python development who can provide guidance and support as you learn and grow as a developer.